Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the MerryIOT Helium Miner. Alright, so here is the Helium Miner box. I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic packaging. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open the box. And here is some instructions on how to install the app on your Android and iOS mobile phones. And this is the Helium Miner. Alright, so here's some LED lightings, and the back we have an SD card slot, not sure what that is for, a USB, Ethernet port, and power port. And in the corner you have the antenna port. And next what we have here is some sticker that it's quality control passed, and so here we have the antenna. And this is the power adapter, and this is an antenna extension. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.